Good afternoon, it's Jack here from Godminster and I am super excited to introduce to you the first of the Hunkey Punks. It's Scarlet Crumb Sunrise and it's on our amazing new Red Leicester. Now, like with all Red Leicesters, we've made it so it has a beautiful creamy texture, sometimes a little bit of crumb in there too, but we've made it a little bit nuttier, a little bit tangier, maybe even a little bit sweeter than you'd normally be used to. What we are envisaging this is it's more than a fridge essential. It's a day-to-day cheese that just is that little Godminster style above the rest. So in terms of its packaging, as you can see, we've got a beautiful contrast between that bright orange and the black. It looks amazing out in a fridge, in your deli or in your fridge itself. In terms of the branding, what we've done is we've made it a little bit cheekier, a little bit more fun than our normal pastels. So we've got a bright orange with the black. That lovely contrast looks amazing in your fridge, or indeed, if you're a shop owner, on your fridge counter, in your grab and go. Hopefully, this will stand out in a world of beige. Now, in terms of our character, as you all know, each of our Godminster cheeses has a character. So Scarlet Crumb herself, she's a cheeky little impish type. She brings up the sunrise in the morning. When you imagine, as I say, the sunrise over Stonehenge, the idyllic Wessex rolling hills. So we're proud. Come down to the shop if you want to try it, or ask your nearest stockist where they can get it.